Fucking flip me out! He's fucking go fucking crazy! He's fucking crazy!
Alright, it's another beautiful day here in sunny Los Angeles. Currently headed towards Beverly Hills, and there's a new vape store that's opening. Now, you guys checked out my last video, you guys would have recognized the 4x4s, two 4x4s for the vape wrap. Check out the Hype Beast lines. Oh yeah. Two 4x4s. Oh, the line extends all the way around the block. There you guys have it. Vape store, Los Angeles. Hype Beast Nation, baby. Guys, check this out. Call me crazy, but there's a four-way intersection stop here with a roundabout. Doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose of the roundabout? And you got these little cones in the middle, so like no one like fucks up the roundabout. So it's like, why don't you just make it like a 4 intersection stop sign? Beats me, man. Beautiful day here in Beverly Hills, guys. We got the SVR out. We got a flex NBA All-Star weekend. We got the car. It's all dirtied up. We're gonna go to the car wash later, spruce it up a little bit. But we're gonna head over to Rodeo. I think we're gonna pretty good day of spotting here, guys. So let's see what happens. Well, it's only 1 p.m. It's already gridlocked here on Rodeo, but I think we got p.diddy in the Huracan behind us right here. Check it out. There he is, the man himself. Hold on, let's get a better view here. There he is. The man himself. Dude, we're doing some proper celebrity spotting here, guys. Nice. Oh, it's a green light, Diddy. Let's roll. Oh, come on. Watch out, boy. Oh, easy there, Mr. Diddy. Oh, I got cock blocked by this Range Rover Velar. Celebrity spotting. It's Halle Berry in the GTS, ladies and gentlemen. I could probably catch up. What do you guys think? Let's go catch up. Oh. First victim of the day. Oh, he's in trouble. Damn. Got the start stop on. Apparently that's Halle Berry inside the AMG. Got the BHPD locking it down. First victim of the day. Got Rolls Royces on Rolls Royces, ladies and gentlemen. Two-tone, matte black and black with 4Gs. Got the SOS Black Series. There you guys have it. Let's get a better angle of this sucker. Excuse me. Oh, here we go. All right, it's a pretty good day. We got the SOS Black Series in front of our favorite place, Mulberry Pizza. We spotted what? 2 celebrities, p.diddy and Halle Berry. And here we go. Yes, rose gold on the BMW X6. The one and only Ferrari limo. They're definitely red. Right in front of the cop. Oh no! He's gonna get him. Oh yeah, he's getting him. What an idiot! Hey, what the hell? Oh! Look at that Bentley, it's two-tone. Oh! We're gonna catch him at the light. Shazam this on. Oh, it got it! No way! It got the song! Hell yeah! Oh! Thank you, sir, for the song. Look at that color on that Karma. The new one. It's a new Karma. Combo. Lambo combo. Oh. Lambo combo. F-spot. What's up, dude? Oh yeah, there's another Lambo there. All right, 3 Lambos. All right, guys, who are these celebrities? Are they celebrities at all? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. We got the TMZ Bus Celebrity Tour. Oh my lord, it's chrome gold G-Wagon, guys. Yikes. And it's gone. Oh, we're gonna cross. So we got the Aventador. We're getting blocked by this fucking truck. Check out that rolls. Check that out. We got a C63 Black Series, but it's missing the front canards. We're not sure if it's real or not. And we got the GTC behind. I think it's real though. Yeah, it's real. I apologize. Some cars over there revving. Let's zoom in. Oh, naughty, naughty. Everyone's getting hyped right now. Check that out. Oh. Let's go do a pull. Oh, he's gonna do it, dude. He's gonna fucking do it. Uh-oh, he's getting nervous, bro. He's getting nervous. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, this ass Turismo! Oh my god, this fucking Turismo! This is some bad Turismo! No, boys, fucking flip me out! This fucking go fucking crazy! He's fucking recording me! Self-molestation! Yes! 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 Yes!
Oh, he's going round two.
It's a combo,
round two,
bro.
round two, round two. Round two. Everyone's yes! Woo! He's like, get me the fuck out of here! Oh my god!
That's a good game.
What do we have? What do we got? It's a Panamera. Oh! UPS truck? What the hell? Oh! That's beast. All-Star Weekend, baby. Okay, here we go. We're on La Cienega, guys. It's kind of packed here, but just wait till you see up there. It's a complete shit show. Hold on a second. Let's see what we got here. We got a couple of Aventadors. Let's zoom in. Yep. They just literally stopped in the middle of the road.
Look at this guy. His pants are coming.
Yo, dog, your pants. Yo, dog, your pants are coming down, bro. Holy smokes. Look at this, guys. Look at this mess.
Cross the street, please. Cross the street. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Holy beans, dude. Rolls Royces, Bentleys, Range Rovers. And we got the, yeah. Wow. Belmont. Super packed. All right. Holy crap, dude. Holy Toledo. Absolute madness. We'll do a pull for them. Jeez, it's still going. Check this out. We got a chrome red Maserati on wheels, baby. A matte black G-Wagon. Currently here on Hollywood Boulevard. Now, it's all fun and games until you get caught in a massive traffic jam. I do this for you guys, man. Oh, it looks like someone's getting arrested and searched. Ooh, that is not good. I'm gonna sit and endure this traffic jam for you guys, because you never know where you're gonna find on Hollywood Boulevard on a Friday night during the NBA All-Stars weekend. So we're back in Beverly Hills, and I'm not even joking, there is yet another bait car right there, parked right behind my buddy's Civic. It's a new tactic. Their strategy has vastly it's gone better, I guess. Bait car on Rodeo and Beverly. Well, that'll be it for today's video. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Till next time, guys.